Welcome to this course. Before you start, let me guide you how to follow this course. If you are a beginner, then follow the order of the course. Watch the lectures in the same order. Don't skip any lecture. See how I have organized the courses. The concepts are covered on whiteboard. Then later on, I have given practice session where I have demonstrated those concepts. So you must practice those concepts by yourself. Then I have given some exercise programs, and each program is first discussed as a problem, then the approach, how to solve the problem, then I have written the program. Then after some example programs, there are student challenges where you have to solve those problems. You have to write the program by yourself. And in the same lecture, at the end part, I have given the solution. So before looking at the solution, I suggest you to write out the program by yourself. And if you already know a little bit Java programming or you want to brush up some concepts from Java programming, then you can directly watch that section. But make sure that you have the clear idea of other concepts. For every example program or a student challenge, there is a resource available. Resources are available at GitHub. And when you are clicking on that GitHub link, make sure that the pop-up blocker is disabled in your browser. Every section is having quiz questions. Try to solve them. And if you want any help, you can refer a relevant video. Throughout this course, I am there with you. If you have any doubt, you can feel free to ask questions. Below every lecture, you will find a tab called Question Answer section. Click on it. You will find the questions already asked by the students. Check those questions that may answer your question. If not, you can always feel free to ask a question. So go ahead and hope you learn a lot from this course.